What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to automate bulk images and videos on Grok so you can get a lot of images and videos with just one click. Carry on with me. So firstly, open up your Chrome browser and head straight to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type AutoGrok. Look for the official extension, then click on it and smash that Add to Chrome button. Once it installs, make sure you pin the extension to your browser toolbar so you always have quick access to your new control panel. Now head over to X and open up your Grok chat interface. Click your brand new AutoGrok extension icon in the top right corner. This opens up your custom bulk dashboard. Instead of manually feeding Grok one idea at a time, just pass your entire spreadsheet or list of text prompts directly into the extension's prompt list box. Make sure every single prompt is on its own separate line. Finally, before you unleash the AI, go to your Chrome download settings. Turn off the option that says Ask where to save each file. This is crucial so the files can save silently in the background. Now, go back to the extension and hit Start. That is it. AutoGrok will automatically type your text into the chat, wait for Grok to finish generating the images or videos, and auto-download the file directly to your hard drive, and of course instantly loop to the next prompt. And here it is, the absolute best way to scale your Grok content without lifting a single finger. This automation trick should save you. If it did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.